Pretty cool place. Got a boat ride through the lilies, as it were.
They feed, they eat, and then they continue their trip back down south. By April or May, a lot of them they started to go back again all the way to the north. Most of the time they pretty much get breeding over here. That's a cormorant. They get breeding all the babies. Once the babies are adult enough, they're able to live, right?
Alligator. They feed the alligator. They're gonna feed you the alligator.
See the three-color herons or tricolor herons, and the one back there is a purple jacana. You see it?
Where?
Right on the bank.
Oh yeah.
Right, a purple jacana.
He's teasing you. That would be cool though, right?
So that's a snow egret right there. He's walking back, but he has a very yellow feet, and they use the feet or the yellow part, and they move their feet like that in the water. There's about 2,000 feet. This is the one that runs over the 60% of the business in Nicaragua. So those are the owners of the rum factory, right? All the sugar cane factory. So the one who take care of the eggs.
That little island.
She continue to find another
For sale.
nest, beautiful nest, made with
Say
all the
vende.
dye and so on
For
like
sale.
that. Northern
Build a
Hakka.
little beach house in Granada. Pretty cool.
So that island on the right hand side looks like a bridge. There's a house that works as a bridge. 2 islands. That, see the guy with no tail? That's Pancho. The one over there, actually that's a juvenile that's probably about a year old or so. That one born over here in this island.
Looks like a
And that's her mom, and she's pregnant.
This is what we look like as a animal.
Do they swim, bro?
No. The only monkeys that are able to swim are the howler monkeys. Those are considered grackles, so they eat everything.
I got some Pringles. I'm gonna give them some Pringles.
That's a tiny
You got
head.
in there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, be careful.
He's like, bring me some food. Can you want to chuck some Pringles over there?
Yeah.
Look at those monkeys in that boat.
You get up closer.
Dice que te puedes arrimar un poco a ver si ganan de esa vara.
Monkeys.
You gotta be in front though. And try to control balance though. There's the crack. No, they won't catch it.
No. Did he get it?
You got it.
Soggy.
Look, you took it one.
Soggy Pringles.
Pringles.
Here they all come.
He's a fat one.
It is a fat one, yeah.
He's had too many Pringles.
Hey, give me the Pringles. By the trees, they'll climb down under the tree. Look at.
Brooke, just stand out the hand. Brooke.
Throw him again. Throw it.
Pringle.
Oh, here goes the little one.
Brooke.
He's coming down.
Brooke, just do it like this way.
No.
Put your hand out.
Oh, fish.
Oh, fish are eating. See all those fish out there?
Brookie.
Oh, the fish are eating it.
All the animals know this is the place to eat.
Just, yeah, just stand
Oh,
Can he reach? He's gonna try.
He's thinking
look
about
at
it.
this one just chilling on the rocks. He's like, I'm too lazy to
Come on,
fish
guy.
for it.
I can't get it. I'm gonna chuck it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my. They're all just eating it.
Piranha.
Piranhas.
Say hello,
How
group.
can
Those piranhas.
Hola!
Oh.
I was looking for the piranhas and the alligators down there.
That's ash from a volcano. And there's that chapel we went in right there. There's Brooklyn.
It's gonna be seen, you know, in Centro.
Soy de luna liberiana que se asoma en la ventana, musitando que ya ha vuelto a anochecer. Soy de caballo y de sombrero.
This is our room. It's quite a hotel, huh, Joni? It's very, I mean, it's the middle of Granada city, so it feels like it, you know? This is Joni and my little room. There we go. They turned on the lights. Joni said let there be lights. Oh, a little. But that's what it looks like. Brittney's like, ugh, bartender.
We should go check out
You know,
the
it'd be
other
real
one.
nice as a hot tub, right?
We should go check out the
Yeah.
other one.
It's probably the same temperature. She's in the shower. She's like,
Look at those purple.
that's the first.
Probably can't see them.
She almost like didn't even have time to like. She just wanted to shower so bad. Yeah.
Pull out your feet. My goggles are so loose, but they'll work.
Ashley said that the kids brought a tear to her eye because she's missing her son who has autism.
Oh really?
What's autism?
Like landing.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Okay, look, I'm going to try
It's,
to make green
tough.
bubbles. Ready?
disorder.
Okay. I'm going to try to make green bubbles, right?
Okay.
Go! So our friend Steve here just about got nailed by a coconut. Fell right down into those bushes. I'll give you a freaking concussion. Crack your skull. Oh yeah. It's like when my friend needed surgery in Ecuador. Didn't work out so well.
Where at?
Ecuador.
Okay, Brittney, our little radar of gecko finder, found
Brooklyn
one
found
here.
it.
Oh, really? Let's see if I can get a good. He's on the light, trying to get warm.
Wait, look at that. Oh,
Here.
Okay. Okay, we're going to dinner with the group.
Going to Park Central. So this is the accommodations. There's our crew. Everybody hanging out. Just out and about. Going through Park Centro. Brock's always finding a dog. It's kind of big. Come on, buddy. So we're heading to Tortellini's, or Torta somethings. It's kind of the place to hang out in Granada, or is it Grenada? Kids are walking the streets at night in Latin America. I love it. It's good for them. They saw those homeless kids tonight and heard today in the other spot, and I think that's good for them to see. See how fortunate they are.
What time is it?
Go down, dance into it. Hey! There's our group.
Should we just go
And there's all these geckos on the walls. I don't know if you can even tell. Nope. Can't really tell. Wow.
Well, we really enjoyed meeting you guys, and we think you're a lovely family, and we think you guys have the best kids, and we love how they treat each other.
Oh, great.
Hi. Okay, so I'm Evelyn. This is Jacqueline. It was nice to meet you guys. It was really fun with you guys. Love your kids. They're super fun and cute, and you guys are awesome too. I love how adventurous you guys were on the zip lines. You all did good with all your moves there. It was great. And yeah, your kids are great, so adventurous. Jamie and Steve from Philly, and we want to say hi to Joni and Thomas in Brooklyn, and Brittney and Brock, and we've enjoyed getting to know you guys and learning a whole lot about Utah and why we should come visit.
Yeah.
And
We're going to Utah!
that's Shane.
Yeah.
And it's been just fun getting to know you guys, and I hope you have a rest of a great trip.
Great. Shane and ready?
Hey, Brock.
Here we go. Here we go. Get close together so we can get right in. Oh,
Hello.
you okay?
Good. Is anybody there?
Yeah.
Is it? Hi. My name is Enrock, and I am in. No. Granada. Somewhere in Central America, and I'm having a blast with all these people. I have no idea who they are, but we are having fun. And Olga here is my accomplice partner in crime. Tell him.
Silent partner. But I think my favorite part was. What was my favorite part? I think today has been my favorite so far.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
I like it all.
Hi, Joni.
Hi.
It was so nice meeting you guys, and I enjoyed spending this time with y'all on the trip. Kids have been great too. They're sweethearts. And hope you guys have a great time the rest of the trip if we don't see you towards the end. And if you're ever down to South Carolina, look us up.
Okay.
We appreciate you guys being such good, hospitable people, and we appreciate your kids. They're very good, well-mannered, and we've had a great time with you guys on this trip.
So I did the opposite of recording, and that was Shane and Ashley, and I totally bombed and ruined that video. But Shane was just telling little Brock man that he enjoyed being with him on the zip line. And they were from New York.
Hi, we're leaving Nicaragua. Actually, I'm kind of excited about it. Get back to Costa Rica. It's been a cool little hotel.
Doná, Elba, Cigar. There we go.
We use seeds from different places, like Connecticut, Indonesia, Cuba, everything comes from the north side of Nicaragua. You can see every leaf starting from the top, you will have every level different kind of tobacco. This is a leaf from the bottom of the plant. This one doesn't bring much flavor, it's just for feel. And then in the middle of the plant, we got
Doesn't want.
He doesn't want you?
I don't want this.
You're big enough, so.
All right.
Your shoulder's too small. Okay, Britt.
And then what's the top? The final.
There's Shane.
I got in the front if you want to see on the presentation. Most of the people like mild because if you get dizzy with a strong cigar, you fall asleep.
Una liberiana que se asoma en la ventana, musitando que ya ha vuelto a anochecer. Soy de
Betty Pooh.
Okay, say that then. There you go. Say Daddy Cool. Hurry. Hurry and say Daddy Cool.
Okay.
Do it, big lips. Okay, go. Hurry. What?
I did it. I'm melted.
Do it again.
No, I just did it. Right now.
Daddy cool.
Daddy Cool, Raspy 10.
Say it right. Say Daddy Cool. Daddy.
una liberiana que se asoma en la ventana, musitando que ya ha vuelto a anochecer. Soy de caballo y de sombrero, de ganado y de potrero. Costa Rica vas dentro de mí. Yo soy de ti.